engage the experts in every field, go to the cutting edge tools, go to the cutting edge abrasives. It just gives you so much more on your automation projects.
3M provides the best solution for our customers. From heavy grinding to finishing to deburring, our equipment doesn't work without you because the people are second to none. They treat me and our company like we matter, and you always are there to listen and support us in any way you can.